What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And guess what, guys? I literally forgot. We literally passed $1,000. Alright guys, so before we actually begin, here is today's comment winner. All you have to do is hit me up on Instagram or email me and we'll go over your website, your Instagram, and your Facebook pages. So if you want to win today's comment winner video, all you have to do is comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys. You have to hit the notification bell if you want to enter, because I've been picking a lot of people and they haven't hit the notification bell, guys. So make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can win this giveaway. So let's not waste any time, guys. I wanted to actually go onto my computer so I can show you guys our progress and our Facebook ads, and then we'll get into the content of the video. Alright guys, so today we're at $124. So we've already passed, I think we've, definitely passed the $100 mark, but that is not our goal anymore. So our goal is going to be hitting $200 a day every single day, guys. That's the best chance for us to achieve our goals, because like I said, you got to start off slow. All right guys, so we did pass $1,700. okay, this is for the month of October, honestly. So today we've hit $124. Yesterday we were at $263, almost to that $300 mark. If we put a little bit more in some ads, then we'll get there. But we hit $250 here. We hit $250 the past 3 days, and then we went kind of down on 187, 175, and then 287. So we're really around that $200 mark, if you ask me. So we're doing everything right. We're doing on the right direction. And the biggest key here, guys, is that, like I said, you got to start off slow. Then you can start scaling and start scaling. Then you can start hitting $800 a day. Then $1,000 a day, right? So hopefully we'll get to that point. Right now we're around, hovering around that $200 a day mark, which is not bad. It's a great income. If you have great profit margins, you can definitely hit up about $100 a day, in profit. So this is great. We're on the right direction. So let's check out our ads. All right, guys. So this is a set of a campaign. I do have 2 campaigns running just because I'm split testing, but you have to split test, guys. So you can see that we have some $5 ads, and we also have a $20 ad. And as you can see, I was about to publish a $30 ad, but I did have some reoccurrence of Facebook. Facebook did temporarily ban me for some reason. I don't have no idea why. Dealing with Facebook is pretty stressful, but guys, we're not gonna let that stop us from achieving our goals, guys. So right now, I do have my accounts back and everything, so I can publish this ad, and I will probably do that in my next video so I can show you guys, how we're scaling. But you can see that we running this $5 ad, and this is a $20 ad, which is performing, not bad. 2.2 ROAS. It has spent $85 and brought back $190 in return, which is, not bad considering the profit margins with this product. So you can see that, the more that you're spending, right, the more that you're actually going to get more data, because you can see these are spending $5 a day, and it's really slow, guys. Like, this is a great example of showing you guys that, spending a little bit more would definitely bring you a lot more revenue and a lot more chances to get more sales. You can see that this is a huge difference, right? This is spending almost half of this, but only has 4 add to carts or 4 initiate checkouts. So this one has about 20, and this one has about 16 add to carts, and then we also have 12 sales. Guys, this is a epitome of, you have to spend money to actually get more in return. Okay, you have to spend money to actually get more data. Of course, the more you scale, harder, you're going to lose your profit. So that's why you have to have a product that's literally good on profit margins, maybe at least $20, $30, $40, right? That's why a lot of people say sell high priced items, sell high ticket items. So if we actually scroll down, our click-through rating is pretty good. It's not bad. And look at that, guys. Look, the $20 ad has a lot of clicks, 150 clicks. The cost per click is not bad, 87 cents. It is under that $1 mark that we like. So here's another campaign that we're actually testing. This is, a mix of worldwide and US. So, these are the ones that you saw those cheap CPMs. Let's see, CPM, where are you, buddy? Okay, so you can see that we're spending a lot less, targeting worldwide, right? You know, $4, $4, $5, $3, $4, $4. So this is a major key, guys. If you target worldwide, which, you know, not a lot of people are targeting right now, you can get a lot more, you know, less CPMs, which is great, guys. If you have less CPMs, you're actually getting more people to actually, you know, see your ad, or, you know, click your ad, or, you know, actually purchase from your ad. So that's a great sign, guys. This is the worldwide campaigns that are spending about $4, $4, $5, $3. So this is a key, guys. So like I said, guys, I'm going to be dropping some keys in this challenge. So if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and hit the notification bell. So guys, I found something very interesting. As you can see, these two have similar you know, purchases. This one has 11, this one has 11, but this one over here is spending $10, and this one over here is spending $5. You can see that it's spending a lot less, but getting the same amount of purchasers as this $10 ad. So this is, you know, one of the reasons why a lot of people say that your margins are gonna be a lot more slimmer, especially when you scale. So you have to be very prepared for that. Like I said, guys, if you're trying to scale, right, be prepared to lose a little bit of money. Not lose a little bit of money, but actually your margins are going to be cut a lot more. Like, you know, I showed you an example of that, you know, purchase. They both had the same amount of purchase, and the $5 ad actually spent a lot less than the actual, you know, $10 a day budget, right? So, you know, it's great to scale. You're getting more data, you're getting, you know, more clicks and stuff like that. But just know that your margins are going to be cut, and you have to be prepared. That's why it's always best to have a good product that has great margins. You know, the margins that I really, you know, try to stick around is, you know, $20 and above. If you have a $20 margin product, you know, you're in a great shape, because you know, you can scale, you can afford to get a $15 purchase, you can afford to get a $10 purchase, and you know, so on. Now, another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is, you know, a lot of people have been talking about, like, what happened to the ads on the Yaz Store's actual fan page, right? Well, what I did was actually move the ads to a different fan page, because guys, Facebook has been, you know, contacting me, you know, about all of this. They've been, you know, banning my accounts. They've been temporary, you know, putting my personal account on hold. And, you know, this is a pretty big deal. You know, I haven't been able to contact the Facebook group, people that have been in the private mastermind. So this is a very big deal. And to, you know, to be able to keep this challenge going, you know, I actually had to move the actual fan page to a different fan page. So I still will be, you know, publishing ads. You know, I still be showing you guys the ads and the walkthrough and everything, but you guys just won't see the actual ad that I'm actually running for that actual store. So, you know, everything's gonna be the same. Hopefully I won't have to block off the domain. The domain is still good to go. You guys can still access the domain. The fan page, you guys can't access that, just because, you know, a lot of people have been literally copying my ads. I will probably put it in the screenshot right here, because a lot of people have been copying me, guys, and it is, you know, putting a really red flag on my accounts, and I really can't jeopardize that, especially when, you know, I want to keep in contact with you guys and, you know, keep this going, right? This is not like a huge deal breaker, because obviously, guys, you're learning in the process. You're, you know, this is, you know, I'm showing a lot of things that not a lot of other YouTubers show, okay? And this is, you know, this is course content, guys. This is a lot of course content. So guys, soak in everything, learn and implement. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of resources that you can find. If you want to learn more on, you know, how the strategies work, and, you know, actually me showing you all these things and metrics and stuff, and exactly how I do stuff, you guys can check the link down below. It is more in depth than the actual challenge itself. If you really think that, you know, this challenge is all it is, guys, you have not seen anything, okay? My program has literally have content over content, guys. So like I said, guys, I'm excited for the new guys that have been joining. I've been excited for, you know, how quickly people have been getting results. You know, I might put the results somewhere on here, but guys, people are getting results like crazy. And, you know, this challenge is really inspiring a lot of people, and I'm excited that, you know, a lot of people are actually taking action. And, you know, some people actually quit dropshipping and actually are coming back into doing dropshipping. So like I said, guys, this is to motivate you guys. This is to, you know, inspire and, you know, motivate you guys to know that this is definitely possible. And, you know, I want you guys to achieve that financial freedom, because this has changed my life. This has changed, you know, thousands of other people's lives. And, you know, this is possible. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is a little bit different. In my next video, I actually will launch a couple more products. So this is going to be very exciting. I hope you guys are excited, because we will be revealing some more winning products. I know a lot of you guys love when I, you know, show all these products and new methods on how to find winning products. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. I hope you guys have have a great rest of your day. Stay hustling, stay grinding, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.